Have you ever been working on a project only to be stopped in your tracks by an unexpected error? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you've encountered a warning about an unknown color in Three.js, you're in the right place. Today we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to create something visually stunning. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with dynamic inputs. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting a warning about an unknown color when using Three.js?" They mentioned that they were trying to update a color based on user input from dat.gui, but the color wasn't updating as expected. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this warning? The problem often arises from how colors are formatted in Three.js. When you receive a color value like texture 02def, it needs to be converted correctly to avoid errors. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future and keep your colors vibrant. To address the warning about the unknown color, the user should ensure that the color value is formatted correctly before passing it to the Three.Color function. Instead of using the replace method, the user can directly pass the color value to the Three.Color constructor. This will help avoid the warning. If the user is receiving the color value dynamically from date.gui, they should ensure that the value is always in the correct format. This means checking the input before using it. Finally, the user can test the implementation by changing the color through the dat.gui controls and observing if the color updates without any warnings. Fun fact, did you know that colors in web design can evoke different emotions? For example, blue often represents trust and calmness. So choosing the right color is not just about aesthetics, it's about the message you want to convey. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use the Three.Color constructor directly with a color string. For example, you can try using new Three.Color ff00ff. This allows you to easily select your favorite color. Additionally, you can find color codes by visiting a color reference website or using Photoshop to pick a color and get its code. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the setStyle method of Three.Color. Instead of creating a new color instance, you can directly update the material's color using this method. This allows for real-time updates based on user input from day.gui. The user also emphasizes not to use new Three.Color to change an existing color. Instead, always use the set xxxx methods of Three.Color for updating colors. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your color inputs before using them in your code. This simple step can save you from unexpected errors and keep your project running smoothly. And there you have it. By ensuring your color values are formatted correctly, you can avoid those pesky warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And remember, coding is all about learning and improving, so keep experimenting.